Sunflower Bakery is actually a very unique bakery in Rockville, Maryland. We're a nonprofit bakery, and our sole mission is actually to train people with learning differences, skills to help them get jobs in other bakeries and food establishments in the area. So just like all the other schools in the county and in the country, our school has been shut down. So that's been the biggest impact, I would say, to the actual bakery as far as the business model, because our primary purpose for being here really is the training program. When the COVID-19 hit in mid-February, we all started kind of talking about the impact of what was going to happen. So I will say we had many discussions leading up to the closing in mid-March, kind of understanding, what was going to happen, paying very close attention to the world and the impact it was having on other countries. And in mid-March, when Governor Hogan decided to close the schools, we immediately realized that we would also have to close our school in the sense that we didn't feel like it was worth having students come here in case it was dangerous or it would help, spread the disease more rapidly through the bakery. We didn't want anybody in the bakery to get sick. We felt like that would be the biggest detriment to the business. If someone in the bakery got sick, the business would have to close down immediately. People would be scared. It would cause way too much trauma. So we immediately cut our staff. We are down to 5 people right now. We have basically all the full-time people still here, but all the part-time people are basically being furloughed. So to basically keep us afloat, we at first started trying to sell in the area the first week. We were selling, our regular baked items and delivering them. I was giving deliveries to my drivers, to my chefs instead of my drivers to give them a little bit extra work. But after about a week of that, we realized that was actually a little too dangerous. It was hard for the chefs and all of us to keep the 6-foot distance from each other that was really recommended. And we feel like that was really important, that we follow the guidelines for the safety measures for all the people working here. So after that, we talked about just doing what we had been also doing, which was the shelters, and we had the idea for the hospital workers. We've also been donating muffins to the hospital workers. So we decided to just really close down to the public because we felt like that wasn't really an essential part of our business as much as it was to provide something to help the community. And so that's what we did. And it's actually turned out really good because I think it's given everybody a lot more purpose, because it is a little scary to leave your house to go to work right now, honestly. And I think it makes everybody feel better about what they're doing. And just give something back and make sure that, we're thinking about other people every day.